Good morning, 5B. Today we're going to be doing lesson 102, which is subtracting decimal numbers using zeros as a placeholder, okay? So we've talked about this before. When you add and subtract decimal numbers, you line up the decimal, always, okay? So I have 0.3 minus 0.15. That's not how we talk mathematically. It would be 3/10 minus 15/100. It's just a little easier. So here we go. 0.3, I line up my decimal point, 1/5, put my 0, and subtract. Okay, so I have an empty spot up here. I'm just gonna add a 0 just so it's pleasing to the eye, okay? Bottom bigger, better borrow, top floor next door. Make that a 2, make that a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down my decimal point. I can bring down the 0 if I want, but I don't have to, okay? Super easy, just line up your decimal and subtract as usual. So I'm gonna give you another one, you're gonna do it on your own, all right? So you are going to subtract 0.4 minus 0.23. Go ahead and pause your video, work it out, and come back and we'll work it out together. All right, now that you've paused your video and you're back and you're ready to check your work, you line up your decimal, always. So 0.4 minus 0.23. I'm gonna add a 0 as a placeholder just so it's pleasing to my eye. Bottom bigger, better borrow, top floor, next door. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down my decimal point. Your answer is 0.17 or 17/100. You guys got it? All right, I'm gonna give you one more just for fun. This one's a little bit tricky. All right, you are going to subtract 2.5 minus 1. Go ahead and work it out. Pause your video and come back and we'll work it out together. Welcome back, you guys. We're gonna work it out. You should have written 2.5 minus 1. Uh-oh, 1's a whole number, so now I'm gonna add a decimal point and a 0 for a placeholder and subtract as normal. 5.1. You should have gotten 1.5 or 1.5 or 1 5/10 is what we say. If you've got that, you are doing lesson 102, Bob, back of book. Have a great day. Miss you.